Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to install apps which are on the Google Play Store on a degoogled phone. So let's get into it. So the first method I'm going to show you is going into a thing called the Aurora App Store. Now you can download this by going into your favourite web browser, searching up auroraoss.com, and it will come up with this, and then you click downloads, and then you download the Aurora Store. So once you're in the Aurora Store, you can download any app from the Google Play Store, basically. So let's say I want to download Discord. So it should download, and you should be able to install it. Now, the first time that you actually install an app, you will have to give it permission to install apps on your phone. So that's normal. Just let it do that if it's a trusted app like the Aurora App Store, and you should be able to install apps using it. So you click install, obviously, and that's downloaded. And there we are, Discord, right here. It should work. Some apps might not work if the app certain apps might be reliant on Google mobile services, and some of them will work without, but some of them will just stop working, or just will it will tell you to download Google mobile services, or it will just hang for ages. So so if you have any apps which just are stuck on the loading screen, then that's probably why. So certain apps might not work, but I believe you can use something called microG to fix that. But if you want utmost privacy, if you have Degoogled your phone, you probably want that, then just don't use Google mobile services at all. So so the Aurora App Store is one option, but there are other options. So you can go into the browser again, and you can go to Appkmirror.com. Now, you should probably put on ad block when you go to this site, because there are a few ads, but that shouldn't matter. So here is one app that you really should install, and it's the Appkmirror installer. So this will let you install all the apps on the Appkmirror site and ensure compatibility. But most apps you won't need this installer, but there are certain apps that you'll need it for. So there are certain apps which have the .appkm extension, and those need the installer. But I'll show you them as well. But so let's say I wanted to install Yahoo search. So this is just a demo app. You can do it with any app. The APKs. Let's say I download this one. But you see it's called Universal. So you download that. So once you've downloaded that, if you go into Appkmirror installer, then you can install Yahoo. So this one doesn't require the installer, but this certain installer, but you can use your default installer for this one. But I'm just going to show you it in this way. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to be installed. If you don't have ad block, then it will show you an ad here. But I have ad block, so that doesn't happen. Then it will say, do you want to install this application? I'll click install. And there we are. So that's good. But let's say you have another app like Yandex Translate, which you might want to install, but certain apps which have the APKM ending, they need this installer. Like, you have to download this Appkmirror installer to use those, as far as I'm aware. So you click install package on the Appkmirror installer, and it will already show you which ones you need to download. So just click install app. Then you wait, obviously, because there's going to be an advert, and then you wait a few seconds. Then you click install, and then it should be installed. So as you can see, Yandex Translate is working here just fine. So that's good. Also, I should probably show you that what you call it again? Yahoo is working just fine as well. So as you can see. Oh, this is an example of when something requires Google mobile services, because this apparently, even though it's Yahoo, requires Google Play services. So I'll click OK. Let's see if that actually works anyway. Okay, that's interesting. So it actually does work. It's just it doesn't want for me to use it for some strange reason. So yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching today's video. But actually, there is one more method I need to address. The last method actually involves Appkmirror, or wherever you want to find the APK for this. Install Huawei mobile. So if you actually de-Googled your phone, you probably don't want to take this method. This is not the advisable method. Please don't do this if you de-Googled your phone like me. I'm not going to actually do this, but you could theoretically install Huawei mobile services, and this will install directly Google apps. I mean, like Google stuff on the Google Play Store. It would actually download Huawei apps. So yeah, but there's also another thing that you can use called Petal Search. So Petal Search lets you search for APKs, but you may as well just use Appkmirror, quite honestly. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. You can like and subscribe and share. You can check me out on decentralized YouTube alternatives, which can let you de-Google your phone by, you don't need YouTube. So you can use Odysee, LBRY, and now on DTube, since you totally checked that one out. Yeah, so if you enjoyed today's video, maybe you want to comment a suggestion for a future video, maybe another Android related video, maybe something to do with rooting, since my phone is rooted with Magisk. So yeah, but until the next one, goodbye.